my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
So back with the C10. Let me show you what we got going on. New, whatever this is called. Let's get into it. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Cutlass, and as you can see, we got a C10 pulled up, or backed up, so that we can get something replaced here. Y'all remember last time, put on this bumper. My man Cortez was like, yo, I want that thing for the bottom of mine. Come to find out, I guess you gotta have like a certain bumper to have it. So he ordered one, wasn't able to use it, but he's like, bro, I want you to have it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So here we go. We got a new one. I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed. So time lapse. Alright, so we got the old busted off. Got the new hotness on. Shout out to Cortez. That one actually looks to be bigger. Like it, I don't know if it, I don't know, fends off more air or something. Where's my tape measure? So on the original, it's safe to say it was about almost 4 inches. But if you look at this one, it's clearly longer. So guess that's a good thing. But we'll play it how it go. But we got it in there, it's secured, and all that good stuff. So what's next? I got something else for Cortez. I'm gonna get it. I was trying to see how we could be best in the best spot, but it really don't work that well for this. Anyway, shout out to my man Cortez again. Gave us these brackets and the speakers as well, so we can mount off into the C10. These are gonna mount right over here in the corner. I actually was just looking, and it looks like the holes that are already there, that kind of match up perfectly. He even included these self-tapping screws because he knows sometimes I be bullshitting and I'll be like, yeah man, I just never went and got the hardware. Don't you work at the hardware store? Yeah. That's neither here nor there though. So let me slide this up. I'm gonna try to lean y'all back. Yeah. He ain't gonna be able to see. I'll cut y'all back on when it's done though. I mean, it's basically, it ain't nothing major. It's just 2 screws, and then we're gonna have to wire the speaker like under the carpet back up to the front. That'll give us a nice little completeness. I'm using an 8mm. Oh shit. Using an 8mm to send it home. Let me see. Should be able to move y'all over here. All right, there you go. So kind of get everything kind of lined up. Okay, these are 8mm screws, and I mean it's just it's pretty much just to hold it in place. So she in the right direction. And the other one should line up right there. So boom, little self tappers. Like I said, go back, run the wires. Boom, sound all the way around. All right, so basically we about to do the same thing on this side here. It'll take me longer to set up a damn shot than it would to do it. So, like I said, 2 holes line up, the end. Self tapping screws, drill them. The end. All right, so let me show you overall finished look. In there like swimwear. Let me show you the other side. I don't know if Cortez had already ran the speaker wires for them, but they back there. Worst case scenario, I'll just have to run the speaker wires. I'll run the speaker wires up front, or from the front to the back, or whatever. I don't think he ran them, but I'm gonna ask him before I mess around and do anything to it. But yeah, nice little touch, a little bit more full sound, good to go. And so I kind of been jumping around here. It's kind of, I almost forgot to record. It's kind of a beautiful thing. You don't have to worry about recording, but that's why we are LS Silverado 254, because we record. So as you can see, we played some musical cars from the last time. Something disappeared. We'll get to that in a second. Oh yeah. So as you can see, I'm kind of cleaning up the wires down here. I went ahead and I replaced the stock OBD2 port or OBD1 port with a OBD2 port for ours. So now we can plug right off into there and get our readings. I'm still waiting on the loom stuff that I ordered. Once I get that, then I'll be able to go ahead and loom the rest of that up. This I gotta rewire that kind of behind there. Like I said, that's something else I'll do when I get everything here. As you can see, we mounted the gauges. And temperature, oil, and battery. I decided I'm probably not gonna do a console. In here. Like, that'll just, I don't know, buy something to hold your cups or fucking, I don't know. Cause now them gauges are right there. I like it, perfect spot. I'm not gonna move it. So yeah, that's that. eventually, I don't know exactly where I'm gonna place the gauge for the wideband. But eventually I'll figure something out. I just realized I think I just broke my damn, well, I ain't break it, but it smushed it a little bit from a clip. So yeah, just gotta finish tucking away them wires, wrapping them up when I get that loom in, and interior cleaning up pretty nicely on that. I don't know if I'm gonna go through the floor with this, or I don't know, try to bring it up and through, or I mean, it probably has enough length on it to where I could go like up that way and then bring it back that way, but I don't know, man. I don't know. Let me unplug that. Yeah. But yeah, that way the OBD2 port ain't just hanging. I had this one on there, but as you can see, it didn't have nothing to mount it to. So I de-pinned this, and then I pinned it in there, and now plug it in, get your OBD2 reading, and be good to go. I think this might be it for that. I'm finna do something else. So yeah, as you can see, I rearranged some things. Truck is gonna live right here for a minute while we do the last little things that we need to do to it. Put the bottom parts on the door, which I got them. They right back there in the box. I just ain't put them on. Bottom parts of the door. Finish mounting these because they keep moving. Go ahead and get the actual armrest. Possibly. Nothing too much. I gotta go ahead and put the lock on there. Let's see. And then the same thing for this side. The doors and the locks. But yeah, we're gonna let the C10 be outside a little bit. Let it get ready to breathe. I'm probably finna get ready to put insurance and tags on it. And it's finna be in the streets. Coming to fuck up some shit near you. I think it was some shit going on with it, but I don't remember exactly what it was. So I'm sure once it starts fucking up, then I'll remember it and I'll be like, oh yeah, that was it. So till then, this is the new dynamic duo finna be in the streets near you.